In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use IPVanish SOCKS5 Proxy. Now, before we get started, you can see these are the benefits of using SOCKS5: when unjust online restrictions, flexible traffic compatibility, and fewer errors and better performance. So these are some of the outcomes that you're going to be getting this. So how do you actually access it? You simply need to click on this option which says get a SOCKS5 proxy. You can search that online using your IP Vanish SOCKS5 features and you will be getting that. So I hope this is going to be leading you to that particular feature that you are willing. You can see the encryption, IP address, and speed. Everything is basically available here, and also it is really easy to use. VPN are run from an app downloaded onto your device, which makes it extremely easy to use. Click on get SOCKS5, and it is available onto your pro version. So make sure that you have a perfect plan lined up. So once you get this plan, you will be getting your SOCKS5 feature and use it. So that's the scenario. I hope this helps. See you in the next video.